Xometry, for the uninitiated, is the premier on-demand manufacturing provider. This means they can connect you with over 5,000 manufacturing shops, their equipment, and their talented employees. And it's never been easier for Onshape designers to use this service. The Xometry Onshape app enables you to get price, lead time estimates, and DFM feedback instantly. The DFM feedback, or Design for Manufacturability, puts this important consideration at the forefront of the decision-making process, allowing you to make more cost-effective parts. This is dependent on the manufacturing process, which Xometry offers plenty of. Remember those 5,000 shops? Each brings their capabilities including additive, subtractive, sheet metal fabrication, injection molding, and more. After you've optimized for manufacturability, order almost any quantity through Xometry, whether it's a one-off or a production run. And when you finalize the quote, you'll find additional options related to certification, tolerancing, marking, inspection, just about anything. Make sure to put their app to use for your next project. Find Xometry in the Onshape App Store.